All right, so there are only two isotopes or two stable isotopes for hydrogen, right? We've got hydrogen 1 and we've got hydrogen 2. At least we're told that in here, right? And the mass for hydrogen 1 is 1.00783. And for hydrogen 2, it's 2.01410. But the question isn't asking about what the peaks are for hydrogen atoms. The question is asking about the molecule of hydrogen. So we can have 3 peaks here because we could have a hydrogen 1 atom bonded to a hydrogen 1 atom. We could have a hydrogen 1 atom bonded to a hydrogen 2 isotope. Or we could have 2 hydrogen 2 atoms bonded to each other. And so the total mass for this first one is 2 times 1.00783. Right? The next one would be the mass of hydrogen 1 plus the mass of hydrogen 2. Right? So this mass plus this mass, right, is going to give you this. And then for this isotope of the molecule of hydrogen, it'll simply be 2 of these guys.
Gotcha. All right, cool.
Make sense?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.